I have concatenated three files, two two files to text tree. So if I want to view the cat 3 file, text 3 file, we can see here all this is text 1, this is text 2 is copied, or those files are combined to give us one file, that is text 3 file. We can also see in our home page, home screen, text 3, all the three documents are copied into this. This is how concatenate file cat or concatenate works in Linux. Next I'm going to talk about is how to print using Linux. For this we use the command for this we use the command lpr. These are the print commands. So we use lpr command, lpr hyphen capital P. For this we need a printer. We can use we can use any printer name. Like I don't have any printer name for now. I'm using a printer name as printer, and the text you want to file or the file you want to file, print text 3. The printer or class does not exist. See, it says the printer or class does not exist. So to install, in some cases lpr command is not pre-installed in Linux. For that we use sudo apt install lpr. So there's no printer connected to my laptop, that's why it's an unknown printer. Or we can see a lpr, we'll use a standard printer name minus hp laserjet. Text 3. There's no printer connected to my laptop, that's why it's saying. But to summarize, LPR is the command to use to print files. And if you want to know how many files are in the queue to print in the printer, we can use the command lpq. So this will show us all the files that are in queue to waiting to get printed. No entries. For now, there are no files in the queue. And if you want to remove any file, lpqr and the file name like text3. This command is used to view all the commands, all the files that are in queue, uh, queue to print. Next time, next I'm going to talk about the command df. Df is the command used to display information about the space available in our system or the directory. Like this is a file system, used used space, available, and use percentage, and the mounted on. mounted on is basically the file or the path name where the file system is existed. So this is how df command is used. And the next psaux command. So ps command is a report or a report of the current processes running in your laptop in your system. This is to this is to this is to see all the processes of running in your laptop in your directory. So ps aux. So these are the all the processes that are running uh, in my system. To kill a process, we can just like write kill -9 and the process name or the process ID. Like if I want to kill psaux, I can write here is 33514. That is a process ID of psaux. In this way, we can kill the processes. And the last command I'm going to explain is grep. Grep file is used to find the let me clear the screen. To grep is a command used to find the patterns in or the match patterns in the file. For example, if you use a repeated number time, if you want to find a number, any word in a file, the grep is the command you go for. For example, I will create a Pico file. So I'll create any file that is. So I want to find how many times iPhone word is used or repeated in the file repeat. So I'll use grep iPhone. Cat